To prevent cognitive overload and unnecessary confusion for students, you should delete unused tools from the navigation bar. This tutorial demonstrates how to accomplish this in D2L. First, hover your cursor over the rightmost area of the navigation bar until the Actions for Nav Bar icon, a blue square with ellipses, appears. Click on the icon and select Manage All Course Nav Bars from the drop-down menu. Under Active Nav Bar, make note of the name. In this case, Course Nav Bar December 2014 Copy. Scroll down to locate that nav bar in the list. Click the down arrow to the right of the nav bar name and select Copy from the menu that appears. Back under Active Nav Bar, click the down arrow and select the newly copied nav bar, then click Apply. Again, locate and click on the Actions for Nav Bar found in the right top navigation bar. Select Edit this nav bar. Now you can delete and add tools as needed, but be cautious about removing needed tools. In this case, we will click on the Add Links button to add tools. Scroll down and click Quizzes and Exams and click Add. Save and close. Notice that there is now an additional link in the navigation bar to Quizzes and Exams.